Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be working on 2014 Toyota Sienna. I will have one key. I want to make a spare and also to program the remote. The car is presently undergoing body work. To actually show you that this key is not programmed, cannot start the car. Why? This is the key, the original owner's key. You can actually program the car. You can actually start the car, sorry. Automatic selection. (2014) Sienna. You start to scan. So let's go to add key. Master key verification. Of course, there's the master key. Insert the master key and turn the ignition on. The ignition is on. The master key is inserted. Performing the master key verification. Succeeded. You have to remove and insert key to be lent with the ignition in the off position. Key removed. Key to be learnt. Inserted. So the ignition light is blinking, the security light is blinking. I will have to wait for 60 seconds for the light to go out. So we'll be waiting for 60 seconds for this light to go out. Now the light has gone out, so programming has succeeded. We start the car. This is the owner's key. I just start the car with the key that was programmed. This is the key that was newly programmed to the system. This is the original owner's key. Let's try it. That one could equally program. So the next step is to program this remote. Into control unit, remote learning. Turn on the ignition and make sure the driver door is open. The ignition is on. We have opened the driver's door. So it's configuring the system. So we have to press the lock and unlock button simultaneously for 30 seconds and press either the lock or the unlock button. You can hear the beep. Learning succeeded. Let's see number of remote controls. Controls 5. Okay. Turn the ignition off. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. So both the key now have a new key and a remote for the car. The car didn't come with a remote before.